Here's another video that can be used by anyone. However, I'm going to go ahead and put it in my A-frame building series because a lot of people don't realize how tall the fireplace chimney needs to be if you go with a really steep roof, like a 24 and 12 roof pitch. So over here we have a 24 and 12 roof pitch. Over here we have a 12 and 12 roof pitch. And over here we have a 4 and 12 roof pitch. And I do have a video explaining how you can calculate the height of the chimney, but for the most part it needs to be 2 foot above a 10-foot level line that would intersect from the back of the chimney to the roof. So that's what these little triangles are here. So if we take a look at the 4 and 12 roof pitch, we're not going to be dealing with chimneys that are too high. And a chimney like this probably isn't going to require any additional bracing. Even though I don't see it all the time on taller chimneys, I don't think it would be a bad idea to install some type of a brace to provide a little more structural support. If one of those falls down, I sure wouldn't want to be the person around it. So the 4 and 12 roof pitch is going to provide us with about a 60-inch or 5-foot tall chimney on this side. And if we go to the 12 and 12 roof pitch, we're going to end up with about 9 feet over here and about 12 feet on the other side. So that would be 12 feet coming from here to here. And again, something like this might not require additional structural support. And of course, the design of the chimney will also play an important role here. And I don't think we're going to need any additional support for this chimney here, even though it's about 15 feet from here to here. But that's not going to be the case over here, where we have a 22-foot tall chimney from here to here. And of course, the location of a chimney like this could provide you with easier access for construction and maintenance. And of course, the shorter one here is going to require less materials than the taller one. However, the taller one will attach to the building a little more securely. And don't forget, you can always relocate these to the inside also. They don't need to be on the outside. However, most of the time they are going to be designed on the outside to reduce the amount of space they would be taking up on the inside. And let's go ahead and wrap the video up with the picture that inspired me to make this video in the first place. And even though I don't think I would ever feel comfortable climbing up this or using this awesome scaffolding, at least now you have 2 more things to consider when building your next chimney.